Clothing that doesn't itch. Clothing that actually lasts. Here at the Mill Clothing Store, we create clothes for the everyday, hardworking person. We make our national clothes for a safe working environment and in the homeland of the US of A. Our factory is safe for the environment and the people living around it too.
Dinner's ready, son.
Hi, Ma.
Hi, son. Would you like anything to eat?
No, Ma, I'm good, but I was wondering if I could ask you a question?
Yes, son. Anything.
Ma, you know I haven't been doing well in school and all, and I don't have a future in the academic world, so I was wondering, Mom, don't get mad, please, but maybe I could drop out of school and work in a mill or something. I can support myself.
But, son, you have to do this. You have to stay in school. You have to go to college just like your father did.
But, Mom, I know myself and I'm not smart.
But I can't deal with this anymore!
Oh my god, this is where I'm gonna work! Oh my gosh, I love America! And this is where I get to work!
This is Father's favorite tree.
I don't know what we're gonna do without him.
It's okay, Mom. I'll go back to school and go to college for you.
Yes, dear. Yes.
Mom, is everything okay?
Everything is fine. Everything is great. Son, I have some things I'd like to talk to you about.
Like what, Mom?
We have some financial problems.
Mom, what do you mean? Ma?
We're being evicted. We have to leave the house. The bank is coming to make sure that we're out.
When were you planning on telling me this, Mom?
I only found out yesterday. I'm sorry, son.
I've had it. Tengo suficiente. Yo trabajo por muchas horas y no dinero. America is no bien.
John, I can't work anymore. My fingers hurt and I feel sick.
Ma, it's okay.
And I can't take that they're taking all of our money and they're not even doing anything.
Mom, just keep working. Just keep working.